Now finding the centre on a circle is quite easy, just using some angles. So let's say 7 inches. So draw a line across there, and at the halfway mark, which will be 3.5, a little notch. And we do the same again. And then for a third one, you do a total of 3, all the same length. And the halfway mark again. And then all we need to do is get a right angle from each of the halfway marks, and where they cross in the middle will be where the centre is. So might need to get something a bit smaller. No, I'll need to use this. I mean, that should be it now, but I suppose it's always good to have a third one just to make sure. And there we go, the centre of the circle.